Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a Daquilroy cocktail. We're going to start with half an ounce of simple syrup, half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Oop, I spilled. 1 ounce of pineapple juice, fresh out the can. And oh my gosh, this bottle's heavy. 2 ounces of aged rum. All right. After we have all of our ingredients in there, we are going to add ice. And then we are going to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds or until the shaker tin is ice cold in your hand. Still a little tender. Laugh at me. All right. We are going to double strain this into our Nick and Nora glass. Oh, I can hold it this way. What?
So lots of pineapple pulp.
Pineapple pulp. All right. For our garnish, we're going to use a dehydrated lime wheel. You can also use a lime wedge for this one, but I wanted it to be just a touch more fancy.
Ooh, fancy.
Fancy. All right. And there we have the Daquilroy cocktail. So pretty. Of course, I'm going to taste the cocktail. I'm going to give you guys my honest opinion. I'm also going to rate it. 1, I'll move on, have 1 cocktail, move on. 5, I would have 5 or more and hate myself in the morning. So, where are we going to land today? Overall, it does smell pretty tropical. Very nice. It definitely does give mild, like daiquiri vibes, but also a little like pina colada vibes without the coconut. That's a beautiful cocktail. It's very easy to drink. It's light. It's very tropical tasting. It definitely transports me to a beach anyway. But just for science, we're going to taste it one more time. Yeah. That's beautiful. It's like a combo of pina colada to daiquiri, but a little lighter and easier to drink. So this one's one you could have quite a few of and you'd have some issues. But with that being said, I think I'm going to give this one a 4 out of 5. It's very easy to drink, solid cocktail, a lot of pineapple coming through. Don't taste a ton of the rum, but it's very lightly there. This is great. I enjoy it. Very much so. Of course, I want to know what you guys think. So ingredients are listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right at home. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all at the next pour. Cheers.